interview. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, should we have? Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
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 Hello. Hello. How are you?
Good.
Good. Good.
Yes.
Great. Thank you for applying to the school. I'm just going to start the interview, and I'm just gonna introduce myself. My name is Sho Konishi. I'm a professor of the school, so I'm mainly like going to give you the guidance, and then as you see, this is Sarah. Hi, Sarah.
Hello, hello. How are you?
Hi. So
Hi.
Sarah is also the dean of this fashion department. So me and Sarah is going to review your portfolio and also ask some questions. Okay. Good. I think I wanna go with Nozomi Yamanami.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yes.
How are you?
Fine. Great. Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
so happy to be here.
Okay, good. Can you talk about yourself?
Okay. I'm from Japan. I'm in the 4th grade of the fashion school in Tokyo. The name is Tokyo Moda Gakuen. And the next spring, I will graduate at the school. So, and after that, I will go into London and I apply to the LCF, graduate diploma fashion.
Okay, so you are going to London first and then apply.
Yes, firstly.
Why?
Why? Yes. These are many schools overseas, but the last year I took the short course of UAL, and also the works of the graduate students of alumni of LCF. I'm so impressive, so I choose the school.
Okay, so now my question is like, you are going to London first and then going to apply to my school. So why you just like moved first? Like why you're planning to moving to London first? What type of visa? What's the plan?
The first term, like January, I will apply. So the graduation is spring. So apply first, and the graduation, I will move to London April, because my father is living in London and work there. So yeah, living with him.
Okay, so like even though like you don't know if you gonna be accepted to my school, anyway, you are moving to London.
Yes, I'm preparing forward to that, and language obstacles. So
Okay, cool, interesting. Can you talk about your work experience?
yes, after graduation of my college, business administration in Yokohama National University, 2016, and I worked for Toyota Motor Corporation about 3 years. My job is to merchandiser to sell domestic vehicles. My mission is to maximize the number of vehicles sold. So I had carried out highly accurate order forecasting and production adjustment. Yeah, that's a very difficult job. Yeah, and other fashion industry, I was working for the several company as an internship. That's it.
Oh, how your work experience like reflect to your fashion design journey?
Yes. When I was a college student, business student, I just thinking of to be a fashion editor, but after working for the Toyota Motor Corporation, the production is very important. So as not report the fashion as the product, the fashion design and the product I want to do. So that's a very big influence. And also I just making a collection which is based on my personal experiences in the company. So especially gender issue or something, the social oblige. So that's a big influence.
Can you talk about the reason why you're applying to my school?
Yes, there's many reasons, but especially I would like to direct my own fashion brand in the long time vision, and through the study fashion design, I realized that thinking, researching, and designing process is very important. So this course is a very good ideal for me to encourage me to experiment and conceptual and realistic balance is very good, and I love the style. So I choose the school and this course.
Do you know any alumni from our school?
Yeah. I'm sorry.
It's okay if you don't have like anyone. It's totally fine. I'm just curious, like why, you know. Sarah, do you have any questions?
If you had to describe your like style of work, like how would you describe it?
Okay. My style is based on the balance of feminine and masculine, because this comes from my personal experiences in the workplace, especially for example, destruction of suits is a key topic of my collection, so I wear this, and like the reference from the office worker. So I like the textile, like inspiration from the keyboard. So I like to make this smoking. So I just wear it, something like that. Thank you.
Thank you. Also, like when you're not doing fashion related things, like what are your hobbies and like interests?
Yeah, not related thing is, yeah, I think fashion is broad conception, so everything is connected to the fashion. But actually, I love to watch a movie or something. Yeah, I like to the many kinds of movie. Yes.
Cool. And also, like, what do you think for like you personally, like what could you bring to the group of students who are going to be studying with you, or like to the program? What can you bring?
Yeah. Yeah, I have two things I thought. The first is there's no so many people who quit the typical salaryman, so that's a very interesting combination. So I would like to make the own style based on my background, and also the I have a also this is a related things like the sales person. I have a business background and selling the products, so that's both of the conception like business mind and the creation mind. So that's yeah. You have not yeah, that's yeah. I'm sorry. The two things is like I would like to give you the course.
Great,
Okay.
thank you.
Yeah. I think just last question to you. How do you describe as a designer yourself?
Yeah. As a designer, my vision is to the long time vision. I want to encourage the women who working for the society, but actually I'm just thinking of and explore my style and defining myself. So yeah, that's not yeah, I'm not yeah, that's I've not seen before. So yes, encourage the people, and I just finding my style now. So yeah, that's a difficult question. So I'm not sure, but I want to find the way in this course.
Okay, good. I think we have enough. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Yes.
Okay. I think we're gonna go to Koya Sasaki.
Yes.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
How are you?
Yeah. Yes, good.
Yeah. Yeah. Can you introduce yourself?
Yes. My name is Koya Sasaki. I'm from Japan. I'm 27 years old. I used to have a job, but quit. I'm studying to become a fashion designer. Yes.
Cool. Nice. Can you describe the reason why you are applying to this school, Antwerp?
Yes. I have 3 reasons for applying. First is because it is a prestigious school among the many fashion education schools in the world. If I present my collection at this school, it will be seen by more people. Second reason is the work of the students. I felt that many of the pieces were very unique. I would like to be able to express my own personality to the fullest. Yes, finally, I want to become a fashion designer like Martin Margiela. Yes, I was influenced by the runway of his 1990 summer collection. Yes.
Cool. How do you describe your personality?
Personality. My personality. I think I express my my mind. そうですね。Yes, personal.
I'm seeing like so many food project from your portfolio. What's your favorite food?
Yes, I like chicken breast. Yes, and potato.
Potato?
Potato, yes.
Okay. Okay, chicken breast and potato is your favorite food.
Yeah.
Okay, interesting. Can you talk about your project? I'm seeing like beef mask. What is about? Like, what's that?
Yes. This express the desires of people and society. Food is an expression of human desire. People who choose food according to their desires are controlled by their desire. I think that is not cool. Yes, this express the desire.
Okay, so mainly the mask expresses the desire, human desire.
Human desire, yes.
For food?
For food?
For food, or for what? Like human desire for eatings? That's your point?
People who choose food according to desire are controlled by desire.
Okay, maybe like what you're saying is like maybe like people's desires are controlling by like society or something. That's you wanna say? Like basically our desires like mainly controlled by others.
Control.
I mean, I feel like, I just like checked your portfolio. Seems like clear, but at the same time, still didn't get what you wanted to say. So that's my point. Like that's I wanted to understand what you were trying to express, So that's kind of like my point. But it's okay. I got it. Maybe like you still figuring it out. Cool. Do you have any questions, Sarah?
Yeah, sure. Where do you get your ideas and your inspirations from when you're starting project?
Yes. Yes. I check I check my nutrients to find my ideal body. For me, eating was a process of nutrition. Yes. And I train to achieve my ideal body shape.
So that's the inspiration for your creation.
inspiration.
That's your inspiration for your creation.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
All right, interesting. Can you also tell me what's special about your practice that would make what can you bring to the table for the program? What's your unique point of view?
Sorry. I don't understand.
Okay. Do you want me to repeat the question, or should we move on?
Simply, the question is, what can you bring to our program? Not physically, you don't need to answer I can bring my bag or something, What can you bring to our program, right? How, what's the point having you in our program? What's the benefit for us? What can you give us?
Point. Yes.
Why we should accept you to the program?
Yes. This is an expression of chewing happiness. Yes. Chewing is very important. Eating without chewing is very stressful. I realized this when I was living only on supplements. I check my nutrients to find my ideal body. Yes.
So maybe you can bring to our course happiness then, maybe.
Happiness, doing happiness.
Okay, interesting. That's very welcome. We love happiness, so that's very good. Okay, I think the final question that after graduate our course, what's your plan?
Yes. My future dream is to be a designer who can give children dreams and goals. Yes. Yes. I want to become a kind of fashion designer.
Okay. Great. Interesting. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you. I think we're gonna move on to Sayaka Abe.
Yes.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Can you introduce yourself?
Okay, I'm Sayaka Abe, and I'm from Japan, and I graduated from high school last year, and I'm here to become a fashion designer, which has always been my dream.
Cool. So can you describe the reason why you are applying to Hague?
Actually, my current interest are music and food and clothing, but I want to expand my interest more in knowledge and possibility. So this